The Magical Acorn. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was known for her boundless curiosity and love for nature. Every day after school, she would explore the forest at the edge of her village, looking for treasures hidden among the trees. One crisp autumn afternoon, while wandering deeper into the forest than usual, Maya noticed a peculiar tree. Its bark was a shimmering silver, unlike any tree she had ever seen. What truly caught her attention, though, was the acorn hanging from one of its branches. It glowed with a gentle, golden light. Unable to resist her curiosity, Maya reached up and plucked the magical acorn from the branch. As soon as her fingers touched it, she felt a warm, tingling sensation spreading through her body. The acorn, it seemed, was enchanted. Maya decided to take the acorn home with her, cradling it carefully in her palm. That night, as she lay in bed, she couldn't stop thinking about the mysterious acorn and the possibilities it held. The next morning, she woke up with a brilliant idea. Maya planted the magical acorn in her garden, hoping that it would grow into a wondrous tree. She watered it diligently, and day by day, it began to sprout. The tree that grew was unlike any other, with leaves that shimmered in various shades of silver and gold. One sunny morning, as Maya tended to her garden, she heard a soft, melodic voice coming from the tree. It was the tree itself, and it spoke to her. "Dear Maya," the tree said, "I am the tree of wishes. My acorns can grant the wishes of those who believe in their dreams. What is your deepest wish?" Maya didn't have to think long. "I wish for my village to be filled with happiness and harmony," she replied. The tree rustled its leaves and began to release a shower of sparkling acorns into the wind. Each acorn carried Maya's wish, and they scattered across the village, landing in the hearts of its residents. Over the following weeks, the village began to change. People smiled more, helped one another, and found joy in the simple moments of life. The village had become a place of happiness and harmony, just as Maya had wished. Word of the magical tree's abilities spread far and wide, and people from neighboring villages came to witness its wonders. They, too, made wishes for the well-being of their communities, and the tree obliged, spreading its magic far and wide. Maya, the humble guardian of the Tree of Wishes, continued to care for it and share its magic with the world. She learned that true magic lies not in possessions, but in the power of kindness and the belief in one's dreams. And so, in the heart of the forest, Maya and the Tree of Wishes worked together to bring happiness and harmony to all who believed in the magic of hope and the beauty of a dream.